Hey, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. Welcome. Today I'm happy to be sharing with you 479 7th Avenue. This is apartment number 1. It's right here, this beautiful building right here in the center. So let's go across. Again, this is 7th Avenue, one of the cross streets, so there's not a lot of traffic. Right here, you have a park right here on the block. If you just go down a little while, half a block, you're on California Street, and that's where all the shops, restaurants, and eateries are. And then, of course, you have the Presidio Park right here, and then you have Golden Gate Park right over down the street as well. So lots of outdoor activities, and of course you're close to the bridge. All right, so let's go upstairs. Okay, here we are, Unit 1, first floor. Open the door wide, greeted by a little foyer area, coat rack. Beautiful wooden floors throughout this apartment. Really, really spectacular. You can see that they just extend into all rooms. Let's turn first right and look at the kitchen area. So we have gas range, beautiful hood above that. Lots of closet cabinet space to enjoy. Deep sink. Now, lots of electrical outlets. If you have coffee makers, toasters, those are really important to have. This door goes out through the fire exit, and then right down, one level down, is where the garbage and trash cans are, as well as compost. So let's go into the bedrooms first. So this would be bedroom number 1. Again, nice wooden floors. You can hear the echo because it's so voluminous in here. Beautiful closet for lots of storage opportunities there. Tall ceilings, picture railing so you can hang your pictures and art. Double pane windows, which must have been recently done because those look pretty fresh. And again, the nice thing about double pane windows is it keeps the warmth in while keeping the sound out. So that's really, really nice. Again, the window right up there for ventilation. Tile backsplash, tub shower combination, tile flooring, and then a medicine cabinet, which is super handy. Now in here, we actually have another little hideaway, more storage space. So lots and lots of opportunities to store and hang, which is really unique in these older apartments. We don't have telephones anymore, but there's a doorbell buzzer, and that's where the phones used to go. More closet space. This one's pretty big. This is bedroom number 2. Now this faces a street, but it does enjoy some of those double pane windows. Nice shelving for either clothes or books or other miscellaneous. And this is such a deep closet. Look at this. This is huge. All right, let's walk in here. Whoa. Okay, so you can see it's almost like another room in here. This is really, really nice. All right, so, and again, lots of 3-prong outlets and window treatments. Looking back where we came, and then we'll turn left and go into the living room area. And then we have a little alcove in there. You could either put a little desk, TV, bookshelves. There's shelving options as well. And again, tall ceiling, nice big windows that lets lots of light in. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're in between 2 parks, lots of shopping opportunities on California Street. This property has a backyard as well that you're able to enjoy, and we'd love to get you into this property. So if you do have other questions that weren't covered, I forgot this. Okay, I'm gonna walk over to this one. This is the fiber connection. So if you like blazing fast internet speeds, this is the property for you. So that's equipped. So you can sign up for that service, this fiber service, okay? Again, if you have any questions, let us know. Click on the links below. I'm gonna switch this around. Click on the links below for direct links to the website where this listing is, the application, more of our listings, and to ask any questions of the agent. We also have showing schedules on that link, so take a look at that as well, and you can sign up RSVP. All right, we look forward to seeing you and sharing this property with you, and maybe having you as a tenant. That'd be great. All right, cheers, bye-bye. Thanks for watching.